Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix if Telegram isn't sending the verification code on your phone. Let's get started. So first, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And here, double check that you entered the correct phone number with the right country code. If you still don't get the SMS code, tap didn't get the code and choose to receive via call instead. And here you can go to your phone settings and click notifications and make sure the Telegram notification and SMS are not blocked. Also, check if the number can receive SMS because sometimes carrier issues delay the code. As the last step, try reinstalling the Telegram app and logging in again. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to receive your code in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.